As the second phase of COVID vaccination has been rolled out for elderly people, that is for those whose age is 60 plus and also for those whose age is 45 plus with comorbidities, I would like to mention 5 important points in order to remove the confusion roaming around registration procedure for COVID vaccination. You can register using two portals. One is a COVID website, another is Arogya Setu app. Remember, there is no app for COVID. You can only register using the COVID website, that is cowin.gov.in, and you can choose your convenient date and time, and a list of government and private hospitals serving as COVID vaccination centers can be obtained using the COVID website or also through Arogya Setu app. And the second important point is, at the time of registration, Aadhaar card or electoral photo ID card or photo ID card is required. And the third important point is, there are three methods to register. One or the first method is, an individual can do a self-registration in advance using the list of government hospitals which are near to his location and also at his own convenient date and time. If for any reasons, if that individual is not able to register himself, he can take the help of anyone staying anywhere in the world to register using his mobile number. In fact, an individual can register up to 4 more people, including himself. And the third point or the third method is, one can directly go to a hospital for on-site registration. You can get the vaccination along with registration. And the fourth most important point is, it is free of charge at government vaccination centers, and at private hospitals a prefixed charge is levied. And the last important point is, beneficiaries will be provided, that is those who had taken the vaccination will be provided provisional and final certificates. And also the last important point is, an SMS with a link to download this certificate will be sent. Thank you.